Hey y'all, what's up? It's Ali here with another video for you guys, and today we're gonna jump right into one of my favorite protective styles. I'm using my Miche Bounce Curling Cream, my As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water, my Nature's Blessing Hair Pomade, and a wide tooth comb to detangle. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, but as you guys can see, my hair is about 75 to almost 80% dry. Usually when my hair looks like this, my roots are still pretty damp, but for the most part, majority of my hair has dried up. So I'm just gonna go in with a fine rat tail comb to create my really deep side part, because I was feeling like a side part considering that I went for a protective style for this week. And then I went in and started parting with my fingers. This was actually spontaneous because originally I was going to part with that wide tooth comb, but I changed my mind in the process. So grabbing my velvet satin scrunchie, which is really great because it doesn't cause any snags when styling, I put my hair to the side and I started going at it. So I spritzed that Jamaican Black Castor Oil water all over that first section that I'm going to work on and massage it in thoroughly. I've grown to really like that black castor oil water. And then using my Miche Bounce Curling Cream, I apply that all over the section. And honestly, this has been my go-to combo for the last couple of weeks now, because I got the Jamaican Black Castor Oil water not too long ago. And as you can see, I'm starting my twist. So I went with some flat twist, which is usually my go-to. Braids take a lot longer. So if I wanted to do a style like this again in braids, I would have to start earlier. But it was pretty late at night and I just wanted to get my hair styled and out the way. So here I am just spritzing a bit more of that Jamaican Black Castor Oil water throughout the section in case it feels a little too dry. And I just go ahead and twist all the way towards the ends. So as soon as I get to the ends, I grab a little bit of that Nature's Blessing hair pomade and I apply it to my ends. I absolutely love this stuff. It smells good. It keeps my ends in check and it's really moisturizing. And as you can see, this is what the twist looks like. They're all gonna swell up as I'm done, but then I just move along and I repeat these same steps on the next section. So parting my hair with my fingers, I go ahead and secure the rest of my hair with my scrunchie. And if you want to know where you can get some satin scrunchies, you can actually get them at your local beauty supply or TJ Maxx, but I ordered mine off of Kitsch. In case y'all interested, I'll leave a link down below. And I've applied that Jamaican Black Castor Oil water. Now I'm massaging the Bounce Curling Cream all throughout my hair. And this Bounce Curling Cream is really moisturizing. It's one of my favorite stylers at the moment, and it's also not too heavy. So I get enough moisture. Actually, I get all the moisture that I need and all the hold that I need, but my hair still turns out really light. So it's been my go-to styler for protective styles as well as twist outs. And so as you can see here, I'm twisting up the section. You can already see the shine already, and just the moisture as well. And I absolutely love doing this style, especially because it's been raining and snowing out in New York, so I need to put a hat on. So this is my go-to style for days like this. So now I'm just going to repeat these same steps all throughout the rest of my hair. Okay, so we've pretty much reached the last section of my hair. And if you're wondering why I decided to style with my fingers, it's because later on in the week, if I decide to take the twist down, it's just a lot easier for fluffing and picking my hair. That way you don't see too many defined parts. Everything just kind of blends easier. And it's also a lot faster versus having to go in and like neatly part everything. So if you're a lazy natural, please feel free to use this technique because it's a lot faster and your twist will come out looking really bomb and juicy. So as I reach the ends, I'm just combing through and making sure to twist it securely. And then I grab my Nature's Blessing pomade. Honestly, y'all, this smells so good. And I've seen such a huge difference in the health of my ends and just my hair overall. And so I twist and secure that in place. And this is pretty much how my hair looks. So I have a total of 6 twists all together, 6 nice chunky twists, and I really love how it turned out. So I wasn't gonna do perm rods at first because I usually like change my mind, but I went ahead and opted for perm rods. Here I'm just putting a bit more of that Nature's Blessing pomade on mostly like the front section of my twists and on my hairline, just to give it a bit more moisture, a lot more shine. And then I just smooth it down on my edges and make sure everything is in place. And so here's a closer look at what that looks like. So pretty much this is just going to dry overnight, but my twists look really nice and juicy, and I love when they turn out like this. And so here I am putting on my perm rods. I use the gray ones all the time just because they're the perfect size. And so this just helps keep my ends secure, but not only that, it gives it a nice curl, especially because when I'm wearing my twist out, I just like seeing that cute little coil at the ends, and it pretty much just completes the look. So this is what my twists look like completely done. They're moisturized, everything is tucked in and sealed. And so we're back and it's the next day and it's time for the takedown. So as you can see, I secured everything with my scarf as well as my bonnet. And by morning, my twists are usually completely dry. So here's just a quick look at that. You can see that my twists are just really juicy and really bouncy and really nice. And so here's that really bomb curl that I was talking about at my ends, which I absolutely love. Every time I see this, it honestly just makes me so happy because I get to enjoy my protective style a lot more. So I just remove all of those perm rods carefully. And once I've gone ahead and removed the last perm rod, that is honestly it. My twists are complete. They're dry. My hair is moisturized. My hair is protected. I can wear a hat. And usually when I wear my hats, I always put a satin scarf on underneath. I go ahead and I frame my face by pretty much just brushing out my baby hairs with my fingers. And yeah. Here's a closer look at my ends. You can see that they're super shiny and just, they look so good, y'all. I've been doing this routine consistently, like maybe once every other week whenever I just need a quick protective style. Here's a look at the style again. So if you guys are interested, please feel free to try this out for yourself. I hope you guys enjoy it and have fun with it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.